A new video of beautiful golden Baktas have been shared by Baris Baktas on social media. Not only that, Baris Baktas has shared a special sharing of Gulum. He also mentioned Gulum Baktas with heart sign and he wrote Mashallah. On the other hand, Gulum Baktas' new pictures have been shared. Yagmur Yuksel beautiful look has also been shared. She was also looking so much pretty and beautiful in the new pictures. The wife of Baris Baktas, Gulum Baktas, was writing a beautiful oath and she was looking so much pretty and beautiful. So, Yagmur Yüksel beautiful look while Baris shared a sharing about wife.